So this is my GoveeLife dehumidifier. You can tell that it's not completely silent, so it's going to make some noise when you have it plugged in and turned on. Down here you can see that the bucket is getting nice and full, so it's taking plenty of water out of the air. And I see that it's giving me a notification now that the water bucket is getting full and that I should remove it. I have turned alerts on so that I'm alerted whenever the bucket gets too full. This GoveeLife dehumidifier meets all of my requirements to keep a piano safe from dangerous levels of high humidity. This dehumidifier includes additional smart features that are available on the GoveeLife app. It's easiest to connect the dehumidifier via Bluetooth, though I've connected mine to my internet. My favorite part about this dehumidifier is that I can monitor the humidity from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. The dehumidifier can function with the LED lights off, so there's no need to worry whether that this will be too bright in your room or your living room. You can turn it off while the GoveeLife continues to operate as a dehumidifier. Both acoustic and digital pianos should be protected from high levels of humidity due to its impact on wooden parts and electrical circuit boards. The most important features to have for a dehumidifier is that it has a large tank. It also should have a drainage hose if you're close to a drain. That way you don't have to bother with emptying the bucket each and every few hours or few days. Ideally, the dehumidifier has high capacity or square footage. This one is a 4,000 square feet or 50 pints a day dehumidifier. Ideally, it makes minimal noise. This is a little bit loud, so I would shut it off during my piano practice. I am able to turn it down a little bit lower so that it's quieter, but it's still not silent, I would say. So just beware that whenever you use this dehumidifier, there's going to be some level of noise involved. The bucket capacity for this dehumidifier contains 2 gallons of water for each time the bucket gets emptied. This is a good amount of water that will keep your dehumidifier busy for days, if not weeks. This dehumidifier has smart features, Wi-Fi connectivity, humidity record graphs in your phone, and it's energy efficient. The pros about this dehumidifier is that it has a large 2-gallon bucket, a hose attached for unlimited dehumidifying, control from your phone, a light panel that can be completely dimmed or turned off, and it rolls easily on the floor. The cons about this dehumidifier is that it's not completely silent, it constantly runs, and that it can slightly raise the temperature of the room. Now, it's not going to heat your room, but it's going to take the coolness off of the room. So if you have the AC going, it might just be a little bit warmer than your other rooms, whichever room that this dehumidifier is going to be in. Now, I was able to find this dehumidifier for about $250 on Amazon. I would say that's a good value price because this dehumidifier actually is able to take out a lot of humidity in the air, so you're getting the value that you want from a dehumidifier without spending too much money. I would buy this dehumidifier if you need a solution for high humidity for your acoustic or digital piano. You don't want to invest in a whole house dehumidification system. You're having trouble reaching your target humidity level, and you want an upgraded dehumidifier that you can control with your phone. I wouldn't buy this if you need something that's completely silent, or you couldn't have it run constantly. And lastly, don't buy it if it's in the middle of winter. Typically that's your dry season, so you're going to want a humidifier instead of a dehumidifier. I would say that the GoveeLife dehumidifier is effective at knocking down the humidity for your piano in your living room. It's convenient to use from your phone. I enjoy owning it, especially because when it gets hot and sticky in the summertime, it provides relief for any basement or humid home. As you can see, this dehumidifier has a bucket with a handle that you can easily remove like this and pour out. Now it continues to dehumidify once the humidifying bucket is back in the dehumidifier.